Hi everyone, this is Sai Kiran and this is my OpenCV project on face detection. In the past few years, face recognition won significant concentration and appreciated as one of the most promising applications in the field of image analysis. I am going to run my project. Face detection is a computer technology began used in a variety of applications that identifies the human spaces in the digital images. Here we can see the output, the image face, which considering the blue box as a face detection. I am going with 4 images. In this image, the one person's face is full of clarity, another one is blurred. This is a multiple images, multiple persons. This is a single image and this is a no face detected. I'm going to explain my code. Here I imported CV2 is a open CV Python library of beginnings designed to solve the computer vision problems. Define a function detect as a image directory. I stored in image directory. Image equal to CV2 IM read, which means the method it loads the image from specified file and comes to the CVT color and image comma CV2 color BGR to gray, which means it converting my image from BGR color to gray color, and I take a variable as a face recog is equal to CV2 cascade classifier, which means it is created the XML file to load to use. Here I used face recognize data.xml file and comes to the detected multiple scale is a function is used to detect the faces, and also its function returns the rectangle box on the face which have the coordinates x. Here we can see that box which is blue color. We in this we have the coordinates like values x, y, w, h around the detected faces. It takes in the 3 arguments. This is image input argument, another one is scale factor, another one is minimum neighbors. Here I take minimum neighbors as 5. Here I used try and except. If the image is good, which have faces, it comes to the try block, and in that I used CV2 rectangle method is used to draw a rectangle of the image and returns that image. In this image we can observe, in this output we can observe the face detect. It returns the image. If the image is not there, it gives the command like that. I'm going to change another image. Multiple face image I am giving. Here you can see the output. It also detects the more than one faces. Now I am giving people's image. It detects the only one face, which is clarity. The another one person is face is not clarity, so it is not getting the, it is not able to detect it. In case I will give no faces on this image, which means I am giving here back face image, which is already loaded in that. We can observe the output as no image was detected. Here it is give the CV2 error, which means no image was in that. And I also the EM show means here the method is used to display the image on a window, which is automatically fits the image size. Here I can use even sizes also, picture sizes also. CV2 wait key returns the character code of the currently used key. If the key is not there, it returns 1. And I also have a small project which is text to speech. I am going to run this first of all.
Hi Saikiran, how are you? The current time is 10 hours 16 minutes and 50 seconds. The current date is 6/2021. Hello sir, what can I do for you? Good night.
You hear that other than my voice, it means I am giving the test. It returns the speech as a voice output. I am going to explain my code. First of all, I imported that library pyttscx3, which means it is the conversion which makes the text to speech recognition library, and I imported the date and time library. It module supplies the classes to work on with the data, date and time, and I also use the time intervals. It also provides the number of function deals with the date. And I also imported the speech recognition as a SR here. And engine equal to pysst_x3 init, which means the factory function to get the reference from the pyttx3 library. Define speech. I created the speech as a function audio, and it gives the engine says interface queues to command to speak, and here give the engine dot run and wait, which means it is a none type. It invokes all the engine notifications and returns with all the commands. And function time, it means that date time dot now. It means it gives the present time. It gives the correct time as a hours, minutes, and seconds. Speak. It returns the output as a voice in voice. As same as date. Here I take year, month, and day as a data type int and returns as a voice. Here I use a function wishme, which means the speak. It returns the voice in value. Here I take if else condition. If the hour is in between 6 and 12, it prints the good morning. If the hour is present between 12 and 17, it prints good afternoon. Like that, if the hour is present between 20 and 24, it gives good night. Now the present time is 22:19. I again going to run. You can observe the good night.
Hi Saikiran, how are you? The current time is 10 hours 19 minutes and 47 seconds. The current date is 6/2021. Hello sir, what can I do for you? Good night.
Yes, you can hear that as a message as a good night. Thank you.